Yo, what's up guys, and today we're here with Battle Cats. We're here to play a game, you know? Oh, while I was at it, I grinded. You guys might be questioning, what's the main thing about this video? Nothing. Don't know why I keep doing that, but I just don't know. And now let's go to trouble in the zombie outbreak. Because as you guys can see, I was like, looking at Battle Cats, like usual. I always want to get good at games. This is the game that I'm better. Not part of it. This is part of the game that I'm better with in the whole school. Who's up with you? And I just think I'm the only one that's good at this game. Expect me to do this Big Bang? Yeah, it's already hard enough. Just try to get stronger. Let's do some matches. Let's try to get to now. I don't remember this. Oh, look at these cats. Oh, yes. This guy's a good. Let's just use this because I run with it, didn't I? Let's replace it. So I can only use Endure, Legendary, and not all that stuff. Really special. I see. I don't think I have anything good or special. Let's get it. Aliens. I only have this. This one that's not even out of the egg. This one, but it's kind of expensive. I don't want to do it all the time. But yeah, let's go. And boop. That's a nice skateboard. Oh yeah. Let's chat. How do you do this? No. Ooh, I know how to do it. But anyways, yeah, once I do this, I'm able to, do whatever I gotta do. Now, I just remember what I did. So let's do it again. I remember that I was spawned these out. Oh, sweet. I spawned them out just to take the ghosts away. And obviously, I don't spend I remember I rolled something out of this, and it was a character though, so I was sad. But you see these, look at these cats. What the hell is wrong with these cats? These cats are really good. Oh, the ding, that's what I'm doing now. Oh yeah, I'll show you guys how I defeated Lizard Maniac, or how I got the lizard, I got it. Look at these stats. These stats I use for this. These guys can see, there's no metal source. I use it. I just did. I just went with it because I was weak. Yes. But see, this is gonna be the fun part. Now since I have this, how I got this was in the silly world. I'm not gonna use this because can't use it, dude. Come on, you gotta know that. So I did this guy, but then I saw can. See, can is a powerful cat. That's pretty good. Also did it with this cat. Look at this cat. Look at this. Oh my god, that helped too. If you guys career cat, he's a useful cat. I think we need it in our lives. Also, let's play Cyber Cat. Because why not? There's no white enemies. So there's no red enemies. So to be able to beat the stage, and I believe this is pretty simple, it just has fire range. stage will be all in crit-less. All the enemies will be weak except for the boss, the maniac. And boom, the alligator, snake, butterfly. It's easy, moth, whatever. But this guy, it's still easy. It's not that big. Sure, you can them, but still it's easy to do. So I'll show you guys how to deal with them. I'll show you guys how to deal with them. First, some super cat, still, that cat's still. What did I press? What's... whatever. God, dude. it's pretty useful because not only it's Dragon Cat, guys. Come on, it's long range. Yes, it will give you the Maniac, and you know he'll be free now. But it didn't give me if he's already happy. But I did it differently, so. Oh, there's so much stuff here. What the heck? Yo, can I just 100 million download ticket? Dang. Oh, that's nice. But anyways, now since we're done with that, that's all I guess I want to show you guys. I'm joking. Let's do some of this because I believe I'm gonna have to get all of the special cats, like very special, like so special. Yes. I'm really tired. But yes, I believe to get like all the special state cats and these special stages, I could do that. I could get more special prizes with that. What? No one told me that was gonna happen. But I'm so glad I spawned it before so that I could not get this cat. I know that there's gonna be only cats. I don't like that. So now I'll be using this cat as shield. At least right now. Now I believe there's not gonna be there. So you know, it doesn't matter. I'll just get the cat. These cats. And then now we're up to here. Alright, let's do this again. It's not just this. Now let's do this. Let's lock it. Pretty easy. 21. Please, Herma. I'm the goat. I'm the goat here, and you guys are, I don't know, subscribers for the trolls. Also, you know, if you guys want me to make a group chat of my own Discord server, you guys should subscribe because I don't know if I should, but it's gonna be a bad idea. Some subscribers, I don't know. But still, I don't believe it's a good idea. Yo. I think it's a good idea though, so. What? That just came out of nowhere though. Oh well. But yeah, so I will do that. Another thing is, you guys, I've been wondering why I'm not doing WWE. Yeah, mentally, so I'm not believing it. Because I am doing the Tommy gun. I just want to do it so that I cannot use the Tommy gun. Yo, I hate those. So we will not be dealing with those. Those are really annoying, and I don't like them. Okay, getting used to just okay, let's do this game. Alright. So now we're going back to the steak. Look at the steak's bird. Alright, so now I gotta spawn. This is specifically swear those are annoying, dude. I do not like those at all. One bit, I don't like them. They're stupid. They're so annoying. Oh my god, you guys. Look, I'm so good. Look at my score. I'm so good. Shh, yeah, guys, look at see. Look at watch this. Watch this. Oh yeah, watch this. Even this whole thing is just a scam. Watch close. Just watch close. Watch close. Danger, do not touch. I think I won. Defeat this stage. It's the hardest stage that no one everybody ever beat it. Oh my god, this stage is the hardest. The black bears. My whole life. Oh man, this is so difficult. It's so difficult. Oh my god, that was a hard level. Alright, let's go supers. Luckily, they, decided, so I'm decided to hold these sucks right now. You see, I'm at 4,000, that's crazy. Now, almost, before I go, I will end up with, me, Friday, a stupid little I'm joking. The thing is, I will be fighting a stupid little nigga. I'm joking, but just to end this video off, I was gonna, end it with me beating the red Gorilla, so whatever it's called. Already beating it. It's simple. I'm just gonna get all the reds. Starting off with you. Let's go with this cat. Yes. Oh, I don't know how to defeat this, so this is too hard for me. This is too hard for me. I would love to use this cat. This cat. Ooh, yes, this is gonna be hard. Let's do this, chat. Let's do it. I'm gonna solve this guy in. Why not? He's cool. He's fun. Let's do this. Deadly. It's gonna be hard. I've not beat this. I've never beat this. You guys never saw what I did. You guys never saw. Yes, Adios, amigos.